Up in the quiet night sky lived the moon. Every evening, the moon watched the world below. It saw children playing, lights glowing in the windows, and homes filled with warmth and laughter. The moon loved watching everything. But as the night grew deeper and the stars began to sparkle brighter, the moon started to feel a little bit sleepy. It tried its very best to stay wide awake. It stretched its silvery light slowly across the sky, from one side to the other, trying to keep its eyes open. But then suddenly, a big, gentle yawn escaped. Down below, something magical started to happen. As the moon yawned, children playing with their toys felt their own eyes grow heavy. Pets curled up comfortably in their favorite spots. Even the leaves on the trees seemed to stop rustling in the wind, as if they were listening. The moon smiled a soft, warm smile. "I think it's bedtime," the moon whispered, its voice like a gentle breeze. The moon floated a little lower in the sky, shining its light gently through the windows of every home. The light wasn't too bright, just a soft glow to make everyone feel safe and sound. Each time the moon let out another little yawn, it sent a wave of calm and quiet across the land. There was one yawn for tired little feet that had been running and playing all day. Another yawn for busy minds full of thoughts and questions. And a final, big yawn for sleepy hearts ready to rest. Soon, bedrooms grew quiet. Blankets were pulled up high, all the way to their chins. Pillows hugged heads gently, feeling soft and fluffy. The moon watched proudly as children everywhere drifted off into wonderful dreams. When the entire world was calm and still, the moon finally closed its own eyes. It rested quietly in the dark sky, snuggled between the stars, waiting patiently for the morning sun to arrive. And all night long, the moon dreamt of another peaceful night, just like this one. Good night, sweet dreams.